What's up, everyone? Yevhen here from a Canadian company, Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, Westwood area. Ikea microwave, no power. Don't worry, we'll fix it together in 2 minutes. But first, I advise you to click the subscribe button on Appliance Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. Reason for service call. Ikea microwave has stopped working, the display does not light up and nothing happens when press the power button. In addition to heating food, the Ikea microwave has a hood function and is therefore built into the kitchen furniture and located above the stove. I will begin the first part of the diagnostics and, if necessary, proceed to the second part of the repair. I will do all this step by step. Part 1 and the first step. The first diagnostic part will be the most basic thing. I check the presence of voltage in the electrical outlet. The multimeter recorded satisfactory parameters. The second step is to prepare the space for safe and comfortable diagnostics. I remove the electric stove that is bothering me and put a folding stepladder in its place. Third step, I remove the microwave from the furniture. Fourth step, I partially disassemble the microwave and unscrew the protective elements of the housing. Fifth step, I carry out a visual inspection and check the serviceability of all components of the microwave using a multimeter. The first thing I discovered was a blown fuse on the power supply board. As a rule, a blown fuse is only consequence of the main cause of the malfunction. Continuing measurements, I found the culprit. It turned out to be the door switch. The parameters of the other components were normal. The diagnostic part has been successfully completed. All faulty components have been identified. Part 2. The first step in the repair part is to replace the blown fuse and faulty door switch. The second step is verification. When disassembled, I connect the microwave to power. The microwave oven turned on. I adjust the initial settings and checked on the microwave mode by placing a glass of water inside. During heating, I carefully monitor all components of the microwave. The water has warmed up. I checked the hood and lighting mode. Everything is fine here too. Third step, assemble the microwave and install it in the furniture. I connect, configure and check in all modes. Success! The Ikea microwave operates in all modes, has been tested and is ready for further use. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.